Winter, a season of stark beauty, of landscapes transformed, of nature's rhythms slowing to a hushed pace. But across our planet, winter's touch falls with varying degrees of intensity. Today, we journey to two continents, Europe and North America, to compare and contrast their experiences of this captivating season. From the snow-laden forests of Scandinavia to the windswept plains of the American Midwest, we'll uncover the factors that shape winter's personality. Join me as we delve into the contrasting realities of temperature, snowfall, and daylight hours, all the while unraveling the fascinating interplay of geography and atmospheric forces that make each continent's winter unique. So bundle up, embrace the chill in the air, and let's embark on this exploration of winter's contrasting faces. Imagine stepping out your door on a crisp winter morning. What greets you first? The bite of the air, of course. When it comes to temperature, Europe and North America offer distinctly different experiences. Generally speaking, Europe enjoys milder winters. This is especially true in Western and Southern Europe, where the Atlantic Ocean acts as a giant moderator, taking the edge off the cold. Think London with its damp, chilly days, rarely dipping below freezing. Contrast that with the heart of North America. Here, vast landmasses allow frigid air to build and sweep southwards, sending shivers down spines. Temperatures in cities like Chicago or Toronto can plummet far below freezing, demanding layers of warm clothing and a resilience to the elements. Now, let's talk about a quintessential element of winter snow. Snow, with its delicate flakes and serene beauty, transforms landscapes into magical wonderlands. It's a phenomenon that captivates people of all ages, evoking memories of childhood snowball fights, building snowmen, and cozying up by the fire. The sight of landscapes blanketed in white holds a certain magic, a pristine beauty that seems almost otherworldly. Snow has a way of muffling the noise of the world, creating a peaceful, almost ethereal silence. But the amount and distribution of snowfall vary greatly between our two continents. This variation is influenced by a multitude of factors, including geography, climate, and proximity to large bodies of water. Europe, due to the influence of the Atlantic, often sees wetter, heavier snow, particularly in coastal regions. The maritime climate brings moisture-laden air, which, when it meets cold temperatures, results in substantial snowfall. Think of the Alps, draped in meters of snow, perfect for skiers and snowboarders. The Alps are a winter sports paradise, attracting enthusiasts from around the world to its powdery slopes and breathtaking vistas. North America, however, presents a mixed bag. The continent's vast size and diverse geography mean that snowfall patterns can vary dramatically from one region to another. The West Coast, influenced by Pacific moisture, can see heavy snowfall in mountainous areas like the Cascades and the Rockies. These regions are known for their deep snowpacks, which provide excellent conditions for winter sports and are crucial for water resources in the warmer months. The East Coast experiences lake-effect snow, where cold air picks up moisture from the Great Lakes, dumping intense snowfalls on surrounding areas. This phenomenon can lead to impressive snow totals, creating a winter wonderland but also posing challenges for residents and travelers. The Central Plains, however, often see drier, wind-driven snow. The flat terrain and lack of significant moisture sources mean that snow here is often light and powdery, easily picked up and blown around by the wind, creating blizzard-like conditions even with relatively small amounts of snowfall. Regardless of where you are, snow has a profound impact on daily life. It can bring cities to a standstill, close schools, and make travel treacherous. Yet it also brings a sense of wonder and beauty, transforming familiar landscapes into something new and enchanting. Snow also brings people together. It's a time for families to bond over winter activities, for communities to come together to clear paths and help each other out. The shared experience of a snowfall can create lasting memories and strengthen community ties, and let's not forget the impact on nature. Snow provides insulation for plants and animals, protecting them from the harshest winter temperatures. It also replenishes water supplies as it melts, feeding rivers and lakes that sustain ecosystems throughout the year. So, whether you're in Europe or North America, the next time you see snow falling, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and the many ways it touches our lives. Snow is more than just frozen water. It's a vital part of our world, bringing both challenges and joy. Embrace the magic of snow, and let it remind you of the wonder and beauty that winter brings. Section 4. Fleeting Light. The Short Days of Winter. As winter tightens its grip, the days grow shorter and the nights stretch longer. Both Europe and North America experience this phenomenon, but the difference in latitude leads to varying degrees of darkness. Europe, situated further south than much of North America, enjoys slightly longer days, even in the depths of winter. Think of Paris, where even a short winter day offers a few precious hours of daylight. Venture further north in North America, however, and you'll encounter the land of the midnight sun's opposite, the polar night. In Alaska, for example, the sun barely rises above the horizon for weeks on end, creating an ethereal, almost otherworldly atmosphere. Section 5. The Gulf Stream's embrace, tempering Europe's chill. To understand Europe's milder winters, we must look to the Atlantic Ocean and a powerful current known as the Gulf Stream. This current is a marvel of nature, a force that has been shaping climates and influencing weather patterns for centuries. It is a key player in the complex system of ocean currents that regulate our planet's climate. This warm water current acts like a giant radiator, releasing heat into the atmosphere and moderating temperatures across Western Europe. The Gulf Stream carries warm water from the tropics, where the sun's rays are most intense, and transports it northward. As it travels, it releases heat into the air, warming the winds that blow across Europe. This process is crucial for maintaining the relatively mild climate that many European countries enjoy. Imagine the Gulf Stream as a river of warmth, flowing from the tropical waters of the Gulf of Mexico all the way across the Atlantic. This river of warm water is driven by the Earth's rotation and the prevailing winds, creating a powerful and continuous flow. As it moves, it interacts with other ocean currents and weather systems, further influencing the climate of the regions it touches. This current is the reason why cities like London and Dublin, despite their northerly latitude, experience relatively mild winters compared to locations at similar latitudes in North America. Without the Gulf Stream, these cities would likely face much harsher winter conditions, similar to those found in places like New York or Toronto. The Gulf Stream's warmth ensures that snow and ice are less common, and temperatures remain more moderate. The Gulf Stream's influence is a prime example of how ocean currents play a crucial role in shaping global climate patterns, bringing warmth to some regions and influencing precipitation patterns in others. These currents are part of a larger system known as the global conveyor belt, which circulates water around the world and helps regulate temperatures. Understanding the Gulf Stream and its impact is essential for grasping the broader picture of our planet's climate system. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of Earth's natural processes and the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Section 6. Arctic Blasts, when frigid air holds sway. The Arctic, a realm of ice and snow, holds a powerful influence over the weather patterns of the Northern Hemisphere. While the Gulf Stream moderates temperatures in Europe, creating milder winters and more temperate climates, North America often finds itself at the mercy of another powerful force, the Arctic air mass. This mass of frigid air can descend with little warning, bringing with it a cascade of winter challenges. This frigid air, originating in the polar regions, can plunge southward across Canada and the United States, transforming landscapes into icy, snow-covered realms, bringing with it the most extreme winter weather. Streets become buried under heavy snowfall, houses are blanketed in white, and daily life grinds to a halt. Picture a vast dome of intensely cold air, building over the Arctic. This dome, a formidable force of nature, is constantly shifting and evolving. When conditions are right, this dome can break apart, releasing its icy grip. The cold air, no longer contained, begins its journey southward, sending lobes of Arctic air southward like a giant freezer door opening. This movement can be sudden and dramatic, catching regions unprepared. These Arctic blasts can bring record-breaking low temperatures, biting winds that cut through layers of clothing, and blizzards that reduce visibility to near zero, and blizzards that paralyze entire regions. Cities come to a standstill, transportation networks are disrupted, and the daily rhythm of life is thrown into chaos. The impact of these Arctic air masses highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's weather systems. What happens in the Arctic doesn't stay in the Arctic, it reverberates across continents, and the dramatic fluctuations that can occur even within a single season. One moment, a region might experience mild winter weather, and the next it could be plunged into a deep freeze, showcasing the dynamic and unpredictable nature of our climate. Despite the challenges, these Arctic blasts also bring a certain beauty and opportunity. Snow-covered landscapes offer a serene, almost magical quality, and communities come together to face the harsh conditions. Children play in the snow, building forts and snowmen, while adults engage in winter sports and activities. Emergency services work tirelessly to keep people safe, and neighbors help each other, embodying the spirit of resilience and cooperation. The harshness of winter often brings out the best in humanity as people band together to weather the storm. Scientists continue to study these Arctic air masses, seeking to understand their patterns and predict their movements. This research is crucial for preparing and mitigating the impacts of these powerful weather events. As the sun rises over a snow-covered landscape, it serves as a reminder of the beauty and power of nature. The Arctic, with its frigid air and icy blasts, is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing world we live in. Winter festivals and celebrations also take place, bringing warmth and joy to the coldest months. Lights and decorations brighten the long nights, and communities gather to celebrate the season. The majesty of a snowy mountain range against a clear blue sky is a sight to behold, reminding us of the awe-inspiring beauty that winter can bring. The Arctic's influence is profound, shaping not just the weather, but also the experiences and memories of those who lived through its icy embrace. In the end, when frigid air holds sway, it leaves an indelible mark on the world, a testament to the power and beauty of nature's coldest frontier.